So for today's video, we're gonna play Kit PvP. So my kit is ninja, not assassin, my bad. So we're gonna play this, and my goal is to get 10 kills. 10 kills is my goal. So I need to get like 18 kills. That's counted as 10 kills. So let's go fight one. So as an assassin, they cannot see you. But you don't have armor. That's the disadvantage. Disadvantage. The disadvantage of it, yeah. See, many assassin, ninja, they're just all killing, like killing spree, like that. So I'm just gonna keep looking some dude. So my name in Minecraft is Vortex Killer. Just don't mind it. Okay, this dude does nether. Let me join the fight. Ow! Ow, I've been spotted. So when you get in fire, try to not be spotted, like run. Yes! Okay, one kill, let's go. 9 more to go. Yippee! Let me drink. Hey, that's important. So you will like be a ninja, fast and strong. Yes, two down. Looking for me. Hey, I'm behind you, bro. I'm behind you. 3. Oh, I killed 3 now. Okay, that's good. That one is an assassin or ninja. Yep. 4. So all I need is 6 to be 18. Okay. So let's go here. Parkour. 1, 2, 3. Ow! He spotted me. Okay, good thing he doesn't catch me. I'm gonna eat my enchanted golden apple. Now I have all of that. Let's do this. Since I have fire resistant. No, wait! 5! 5 more to be 10. Hey, what's up? Wanna fight? Let's fight. Okay, since you get my kill, you're dead. Kinda bit bad at PvP. And kinda good at the same time. You pop your totem, bro. All you have is your shield. I think I already popped it. So I'm gonna go behind. Yes! 6! 4 more to go. No way. Okay, let me just eat carrot. Okay, this one. Hey, you, the leather armor dude with, I don't know, diamond sword. They're cool. Okay, bro. Where are you going? 7, let's go. 3 more. This dude again. I think this is the one that I killed. I think no. I'm gonna help you. They don't know where I am. But this panicking. We're just trolling this dude. Oh, now you're helping him. Ow. Hey, we're team. This my team. You're dead, you're dead. No, but I helped him kill it. Oh wait, I think it counts. Oh wait, I already killed someone, I think. Yeah, so that's 8 now. That's me. Come on. Hey, you leather armor dude are coming with me. When you are like that and then someone attack you, just you're cooked. It's 9. Okay, we only need 1. Wait, before I attack, let me sneeze. Now done sneezing. Let's go. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna steal this kill. Okay, since I have now 10. Okay, so I have now 10 kills. You can see it in my kill streak over there. But so yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye and see you in my next video. Bye.